Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's talk about my library, ricaun.rev.y.tasks. So you can run a Revit API code in a asynchronous way. And this library is going to manage all the creation of the external event handler and do all the stuff necessary to run smoothly. So yeah, and in this video, I'm gonna update this project to add that library. And yeah, this project is totally open source and you can use it, then is posted in the NuGet. So yeah, you can copy this and install in your project, or basically if I go in here in my main project, go in the manage NuGet package, you can search in here for ricaun and tasks, and should appear in here, ricaun.rev.y.tasks, and I'm gonna install that. This should work with Revit 17 and beyond, should work with all the versions, so yeah, that's great. Let's close this and just build to make sure. And if I go in the source code, the source repository, go back right down, and this is a pretty simple example with the Y external application. So yeah, if I replace this and add all the using that is missing, yep, this should, and I'm gonna add this app loader to load in my application, and should be appear a pop-up after 1 second, and this pop-up should run in Revit context. So yeah, and I could have all the Y application here. So can show, for example, let's make a little fast in here the project name. So yapp dot activity y document and document dot title, yes, should appear in here. Yeah, this is the project one. Yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, in this application, I'm adding the Revit task service that basically gonna manage the creation of the external event handler, and I have an interface in here that's just have the run events. So yeah, let's open here. That's the run event with the cancellation token as well, and you could have the Y application as well in that, and I need to initialize that, and I need to dispose in the end of my application. And yeah, if I let's copy this and add in my command. For example, let's set this one I have in my app is missing this guy. Okay, if I run that and click, I don't have a button. Okay, kind of forget that. Yeah, I'm gonna use the plugin. So yeah, if I go here, the app loader, application loader, I can run that command using that. So should appear a pop-up after 1 second. Yeah, that's the idea. So you can use in the PF window or the dockable panel as well, and the code should run in the Revit context. So I run that again, should appear in the pop-up now. Yeah, project 2. Anyway, that's basically it for this video, just to show the basically how the library works, the package works, and yeah, you can use for free. And yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna create a simple sample with a window. Yeah, so a WPF or maybe a dockable as well. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.